Hi, so this is what we did in class today. We finished our idea web. We talked about what makes a good scary story. We included those two details from our theme from yesterday, which was fear of the unknown and also the setting. You should have at least written your personal narrative in there that was an example of one of them. Now you're going to choose another box in the idea web and you are going to make an example that supports the other thesis statement. So if you did a personal narrative about the setting where you were in a haunted house and it was dark and scary outside and the setting was what made you scared, then you were going to do fear of the unknown and something else. For example, one of the students talked about Jason and how there was fear of the unknown because you didn't know when Jason was going to pop out and scare you. So that's what you need to do to finish your idea web, and that needs to be turned in. The next part is we watched The Landlady. It's a short film about the story that we just read. Um, Check it out. While you're doing that, I highly suggest you take a look at your one pager on The Landlady. And on that one pager, you're going to answer all of the questions with one exception. You're not going to do number 4. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Fill that out and get that turned in and let me know if you have any questions.